Hello students, welcome to study panel. In our last lecture, we have learned the places of various numbers in the Indian number system. In today's lecture, we shall learn about the place value of numbers in the Indian number system. Let us see how it works. Okay. Now, I would like to write an example for you. See, I have written a number over here. Now, in this number, we will find out the place value of each of these numbers. Now, see, it is very easy. If we are aware about the places of the numbers, it is very easy for us to find out the place value of any particular number. See, in exam, you don't need to find out the place value of all the numbers. In exam, you will have to only find out the place value of only underlined number or encircled numbers. So it is very clear. If we learn to find out the place value of all the numbers, simultaneously it will be clear for us to find out the place value of any underlined number. Now see, here I have told you, whenever we are writing a place, we should start it from left to right. Okay. Now here we will start it from either of the side. You can start it from the left side, you can start it from the right side. But for our ease, we'll start it from the left side. Okay. Now, one thing I will tell you, it is very simple that in any number, we have to find out the place value of any number. We need to multiply two numbers. See, what are the two places we need to multiply? One is a fixed value. That is, suppose if you want to find out the place value of 4, what shall we do? I'll write it. Now, place value of 4 is equal to, see, we need to find out the place value of 4, so we'll write it here, fixed value, fixed date. What is this fixed date? It is 4. Okay, now what is the place of this number? We have to multiply with the fixed date. Now what is the place? We'll find out. In last lecture we have learned ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs and 1 crore. So the place of this number is 1 crore. Place of date. So it is 1 crore. How many zeros are there in 1 crore? There are 7 zeros in 1 crore. So we'll write it here. Now see. Now we have to multiply these two numbers to find out the place value of 4. See, बहुत सारे बच्चों को शायद ये क्वेश्चन होगा कि सर इतने बड़े नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करना थोड़ा मुश्किल है. देखो बहुत सिंपल है. हम लोग क्लास में भी ये चीज रिवाइज करते हैं, बात करते हैं कि हमें मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करना है. बड़े नंबर्स जो होते हैं जीरो वाले स्पेशली, उसको मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करना है. बहुत सिंपल है. आप देखिए यहाँ पहले तो आप भूल जाइए कि यहाँ कितने जीरो थे. फॉरगेट. ठीक है. अब सिर्फ एक ही चीज याद रखिए, यहाँ दो ही नंबर है हमारे पास, 4 into 1. So 4 ones are, it is 4. 4 ones are is 4. Now count the zeros and place it after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the place value of 4 is 4 crore. ठीक है ना. ये 4 की जो place value हो गई वो क्या हो गई? 4 crore. ठीक है. चलो. Now we'll find out the place value of 8. Again, fixed value, it is 8. So we'll write it 8 into place of the day. We'll calculate. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 1 lakh and 10 lakh. See, now here you must know that how many zeros are there in 10 lakh. Obviously, हमें एक जीरो जो है 1 crore से कम करना है, तो आंसर मिलेगा वो हमें क्या मिलेगा? 10 lakh. So in 1 crore we were having 7 zeros, so in 10 lakh we will have 6 zeros. Let us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we'll place a comma. This is 10. Okay, if we multiply these two numbers, it is very simple. So the answer will 8 ones are 8 and we'll add the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need to count zeros from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we have to place these same number of zeros after 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now we'll place a comma. Okay. Now the place value of A is 80 lakhs. Okay. I'll write it here for you. It is already written. I'll write it in words. You can also write it like this, 80 lakhs. Now, we'll find out the place value of 3. Now, what is the fixed value in the 3? It is 3 itself. Now, अब हम इसका place count करेंगे. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. It is 1 lakh. So there are how many zeros are there in 1 lakh? Obviously, there are 5 zeros in 1 lakh. So write it 1 lakh. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if we multiply 3 into 1 lakh, we will have the answer 3 lakh. Okay. Now here, I think it is clear. Now we will move to the next part. Okay. Let me draw a line. Okay. Now we will find out the place value of this 4. 4. Yes. What is the fixed value of the numbers? It is 4. What is the place of 4? Will come. Will come. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. It is 10,000. So there are 4 zeros and 10,000. If we multiply these two numbers, if we find out the product of these two numbers, it will be 40,000. Yes. Now, we will move on to the next one. That is 4. Again, we will start it. Place value of 4 is equal to, see the fixed value of 4 is 4 itself. Okay, the fixed value of 4 is 4 itself, and we will count the place of the 4. 1, tens, 100, 1000. It is 1000. So 4 into 1000, the answer will be 4000. Okay, now we will move on to the next number, that is 8. Okay, now place value of 8. 8 is equal to, the fixed value of 8 is 8, and we will multiply it with the place of 8. Ones, tens and 100. It is 100. So 8 into 100 is equal to 800. Okay. So now we'll move on to the next right number, that is 0. See, place value of 0. See, here we must, in our last class also we have, in 4th class also many times we have discussed, if we multiply any number with 0, the answer will remain 0. ओके, इसमें कभी कोई गलती नहीं होगी. 0 के साथ कोई भी नंबर मल्टीप्लाई होगा, उसका आंसर सिंपल है, वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्या होगा, 0 ही होगा. ठीक है, चलो. नाउ इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई 0 into, it is on tens place. How it is tens? Ones and tens. Okay, so here it will become 0. Now last bit, place value of 8. Is equal to 8 into 1. 8 1. Okay. Now, in this way, we can find out the place value of each and every number. See, it is not that much difficult, but we need to understand it very clearly. Okay. Now, see, now on the basis of these numbers, now we have to write these numbers into words. इसको words में कैसे लिखते हैं? ठीक है. देखो, इसको कुछ चीजें कॉमन है. क्या क्या चीजें कॉमन है? 1 करोड़ का कितना है? 1 है ना. 1 करोड़ होगा 4 करोड़. ठीक है. लैक्स वाले कितने? 2. एक तो 80 लैक्स है, एक 3 लैक्स है ना. 80 प्लस 3, ये दोनों कॉमन हो जाएंगे, है ना. 80 प्लस 3. यहां पर देखिए 1000 में 10,000 और 1000, ये दोनों में 440 plus 4, it will become 44. Okay, now here no need to add this because इसमें कुछ कॉमन नहीं है ना, इसमें जो कॉमन था। अब हमें इस शब्द को अगर वर्ड्स में लिखना है, ठीक है ना, तो कैसे लिखेंगे? फर्स्ट इज 4 crores, ये 4 crores, देन इट इज 83 lakhs, इसको अलग अलग नहीं लिखना है, साथ में लिखना है, इट इज 83 lakhs, or now here it is 40,000 plus 4,000, it is 44,000. So 4 crores, 83 lakhs and 44,000. Okay, now this is 808. So प्लेस वैल्यू के ऊपर से हम लोग उस नंबर को कैसे वर्ड्स में लिखना है ये भी पता कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, बहुत सिंपल है, ठीक है। इसको एक बार और समझने की कोशिश कीजिए, वीडियो को कोशिश करिए रिवाइज करने की। आपके कोई भी डाउट्स वगैरह है, कोई इश्यूज है, आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख के हमें जरूर भेजिए। हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी विल सॉल्व द सेकंड एग्जांपल टू फाइंड आउट द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ ईच ऑफ दीज नंबर्स। I will read it out for you. 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 8, 9. Now see, in our first example, we have seen that if we want to find out the place value of any number, we have to multiply two things. What are that two things? One is a fixed value of a number and another is place of that particular digit. Now we will see. We will find out first the place value of 2. Sorry. Is equal to, now what is fixed value into place of digit? What is the fixed value in this number? It is 2. What is the place of the digit? We will find out. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh and 1 crore. So the place of this number is, this digit is 1 crore. 1 crore means 70 after 1. See. Now we need to multiply these two numbers. It is very simple. Forget all the zeros. We'll multiply into 2. 2 ones are 2. And now add all this 0 after 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 2. This we have written in words. Okay. Now we will find out the place value of 1. Now what is the fixed value of number? It is 1 into the place of digit. Now ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh and 10. It is 10 lakh. 1 less 0. 10 lakh का मतलब क्या होता है कि जो हमारा 1 crore है उसे एक 0 कम. Okay. Now we'll write it down. 6 zeros. Okay. Now if we multiply this, forget all zeros. 1 ones are 1. Add all the zeros. It is 10. Okay. Now we'll find out the place value of 3. What is the fixed value of that number? That is 3 itself. What is the place of that number? It is 1 lakh, ones, tens, 100, thousands, 10,000s and 1 lakh. Now if we multiply these two numbers, what will be the answer? 3 into 1 is 3. We will add the 0 after 3, that is 3 lakhs. one, that is again 1. Now we'll find out the place value of 1. This one. What is the fixed value of this number? It is 1 itself and 2. What is the place of this digit? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. It is 10,000. So 1 into 10,000 is 10,000. Now we'll find out the place value of next number, that is 2. 2 is our fixed value, and the place of this 2, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. It is 1000. So it is 2 into 1 is equal to 2000. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next number, that is again 1. The fixed value of 1 is 1. Okay, and we will find out the place of the digit ones, tens, 100. This is 100. So 1 into 1 is 1. We'll add 2 zeros after 1. That is 100. Okay, clear. Now we will find out the place value of the next number, that is 8. 8 into the place of the digit is ones and tens. Tens means tens. We can also write it like tens. 8 10 gram. 80. Simple. Okay. Now we'll find out the place value of the last digit in the number. That is place value of 9. The fixed value of 9 is 9 and the place is ones, that is 1. Okay. Now 9 on the 9. Okay. Now if we want to write this number in words, what shall we do? Now we will do it now. See, here we have to club it. What kind of club should we? That is, this is a single, that is 1 crore, 2 crore. Then this lakhs, this will be clubbed. And here we can see that thousands, this will be clubbed, so there is no need to club it here. Now this is 2 crore 10 lakhs plus 3 lakhs, so it will become 13 lakhs. Here 10,000 plus 2,000, it will become 12,000. Okay, now we'll read out this number. Okay. Try to write by your own. It is 2 crores 13 lakhs 12,189. Okay, I think ये आपको अब क्लियर हुआ होगा, है ना? ठीक है? Now we have solved 2 examples to find out the place value of number and writing the numbers in words. Now here are some homework for you. Find out place value of underlined number. See, सबका नहीं ढूंढना है place value में, ठीक है? जो नंबर अंडरलाइन है, यहाँ 1 अंडरलाइन है, यहाँ पर 8 अंडरलाइन है, 8 0, इन सब का जो अंडरलाइन नंबर है उनका हमें प्लेस वैल्यू पता करना है, फाइंड आउट करना है. और write the following numbers in words. You have to write these numbers, these 4 numbers in words.